GiftHulk is a popular cashback and rewards website that allows users to earn points for shopping online, completing surveys, and performing other simple tasks. The site promises a straightforward way to earn cashback on purchases at various online stores. The first thing you'll notice when you sign up is the interface, which feels somewhat outdated but still functional. The user experience isn't as polished as some newer cashback platforms, but it gets the job done. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to explore different offers, including shopping deals, surveys, and special promotions. While GiftHulk claims to offer cashback for over 2,000 online retailers, the actual selection of stores you'll find may not be as extensive as some competitors, like Rakuten or Talk Cashback. Still, there are a few big-name brands that are part of the network, so if you shop with those, you'll earn cashback at a decent rate. The process of earning cashback through GiftHulk is relatively simple. You navigate through the site, find the store you want to shop at, and click through the link provided. From there, you earn points for your purchases, which can later be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. The points-to-dollar conversion can sometimes feel a bit low, especially when compared to other cashback services, but it's still an easy way to save on things you're already buying. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiftMeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. When it comes to surveys and other tasks, GiftHulk provides some additional ways to earn, but the rewards for these tasks are generally smaller compared to other platforms that specialize in paid surveys. That being said, it can still be a good option for those who want to passively earn a little extra while going about their daily routines. Point one downside to GiftHulk is that the site doesn't always offer fast payouts. Users have reported waiting a while for their cashback to be credited to their accounts, and sometimes there are issues with points not being awarded for specific purchases. While the customer service team is relatively responsive, there are occasional delays that can be frustrating. Overall, GiftHulk is a solid choice if you're looking for a simple way to earn cashback and don't mind the slower payouts or limited store selection. If you're a frequent online shopper with a few favorite stores that GiftHulk works with, it can be a good tool to stack up some rewards. However, if you're seeking a more refined user experience or a broader range of retailers, there may be other cashback websites worth exploring. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching.